Today, we are getting into this look. It's a very burgundy, smoky eye with a little bit of pop of color. We got some orange, we got some blue. And y'all love this look on TikTok, so I decided to record it for y'all. If you're interested in this look, let's get into it. So base is done, and we're going in with the Juvia's Place Culture 2 palette. I know I like to set my eyelids with this Quickie concealer. I like to use this dome concealer brush to blend it out because it keeps the most amount of coverage. For this look, I went into this orange first, and then I went into a little bit of this orange. Just have like a blending brush. I don't think Morphe makes these brushes anymore, but it's the M573. And I'm kind of just tapping. I just want the color to be as vibrant as possible. So I'm just tapping, and then I'll go back in later and just blend it. I'm gonna go in with the darker orange, the crease and below. So here and below. Let me get closer. Here. It's blending into that other shadow. That's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna build this shade up because I kind of want this to be a smoky eye. So I'm gonna build that orange. And I'm just keeping it in that same area. I'm not dragging it any further than right here. It's just gonna be right here. I'm going in with a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M505. Really, really fluffy. And I'm just going to blend out these edges, which I ain't gonna lie, they already blended. Into this burgundy shade, and that's gonna be the lid color. This one right here. Packer M303. Morphe does have these. Put it here. Bring it up. Not that far, just literally right here. And I'm just tapping it into the orange. I'm telling y'all, this eyeshadow look is so simple. Going in with the deeper orange, and I'm just gonna layer. Tap it right at the edge of the burgundy so that they blend together. And I tap, circular motion. We'll tap, do a combination of all of them, but tap, and then I'll do some circular motions to kind of get those edges blended. And then sometimes I'll just swipe. Everything has a very light touch. See how it's blending? You just want to keep going. With no new product, I'm going to blend out these edges with the tip of this brush. So I'm just tapping, and then when I get up here, tap, tap, tap. And I'm doing a little bit of circular motions, not nothing crazy. So for this inner section right here, I really don't want any extra product. I'm gonna use this brush, no extra product, and I'm just gonna blend out these edges. Going into this Choiz Beauty. I got this from C Beauty Mall online. And I'm gonna use like a, whatever kind of brush this is, and I'm going into this blue. You can't even see it on here. It's like a really light blue. I'm just gonna place this in my inner corner, and I'm gonna do like circular motions. This look how pigmented this color is, y'all. Oh my God. So a little goes a long way, as you can see. And I'm just doing circular motions. I'm bringing it up and I'm bringing it down and around my lower lash. And that's really the easiest way to blend the inner corner, is just do circular motions and then swipe up and swipe down. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay Basquiat eyeliner, and it's like a burnt orange. I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. Going in with the dark orange that I used up here, and I'm gonna use this pencil brush, and it's the Morphe M383. I'm just gonna blend that out. I really love the L'Oreal Extensionist mascara, so I'm going to use that top and bottom. When I did this look, I had on lash extensions, but I'm going to use Plushy Lash and Naturally lashes on. Now, these are a lot fuller than what I had before, but it's still cute. For my brows, I've been using this color right here in an angled brush and just going in. This is from Morphe, I believe. I don't even see the number on it anymore, but I don't think Morphe has brushes like this anymore. Very simple. Okay, so I'm going in with Plum lip liner. So yeah, I'm gonna change out my lip today too. I'm gonna go in with the YSL Candy Lip Glaze, and I have the color 18. So I think the color is bubblegum, pinky sort of gloss. So very neutral with a brown liner. So pretty. And it's so comfortable on the lips. I love this so much. And then I'm gonna go in with the Say lip gloss, and this is in Splash. I just wanted it to be a little glossier. Tea. Ooh. Yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Y'all commented so much on my recent video about this eyeshadow look. So I hope y'all watch this video and you love it. Comment any other videos you guys want to see. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.